Mean average precision, mAP, in TensorFlow. I need to calculate the mAP described in this question for object detection using TensorFlow. Average precision AP is a typical performance measure used for ranked sets. Average precision is defined as the average of the precision scores after each true positive TP in the scope S given a scope S equals 7, and a ranked list, gain vector, G equals 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, where 1, 0 indicate the gains associated to relevant/non-relevant items, respectively. AP equals 1, 1 plus 2 halves plus 3 quarters plus 4 fifths. 4 equals 0.8875. Mean average precision, average of the average precision value for a set of queries. I got 5 one-hot tensors with the predictions. Where a single prediction tensor has this structure, for example prediction underscore A. Then I've got the correct labels, one-hot tensors, with the same structure. I want compute mAP using TensorFlow, cause I want summarize that, how I can do it. I found this function but I can't use it, cause I have a multi-dimensional vector. I also write a Python function that compute AP but it doesn't use TensorFlow.
I think you may need this one. This method takes labels and prediction to calculate the AP you mentioned. Below are the reference links. This URL, which implemented AP metric defined here. This URL information underscore retrieval, hashtag average underscore precision. BTW, if you need a metric in TensorFlow, firstly you should search inside their official documents. Here's a list of all implemented metrics. This URL. Cheers!